Today we're going to be looking at a database called Proquest SIRS Issues Researcher. So the first thing we need to do is log in, and we'll just log in with student SPS, and the password is ACCESS. That's access. Then we'll click log in there. And this is the main page that you'll see, and you'll notice there are some trending topics, and you can scroll through these: homework, gun control, animal rights, and then there are some editors' picks. The people who are curating this source will go through, and these are probably some popular topics right now that they think are worth looking at. But if you don't see what you're looking for, maybe you want to research bullying. You're curious to talk about, or to write, or to speak, or draw about bullying. You can either look through the issues at the bottom, or you can use the search bar here. So we could type in bullying up at the top, and let's see what comes up. And sure enough, look at this. They have this great source for bullying. Now, if you click on this, this is going to be a topic overview. Down here, these are going to be additional articles related to bullying. And then we see, obviously, some related issues. But let's go back up to this bullying tab and see what we can find. So this is really cool because it gives a summary of bullying, what it is. It also shows, it gives an essential question, which helps to develop an argument, right? Because not many people are going to be like, yeah, dude, bullying's awesome, it's good for kids. No one's going to say that. Well, few people are going to say that. So instead, this database does a really good job of giving you an essential question that you can argue on both sides. And then, not only do they do that, they give you the two viewpoints, they also then give you some articles to support each viewpoint. And if you'd like, you can find more sources on bullying. I think this is actually the page where we saw just a moment ago. There are also some critical questions. If maybe you don't want to think about anti-bullying strategies, but you can start to look at some other things. Are schools doing enough to stop bullying? How should bullies be punished, etc.? There is an editorial cartoon, and there's a timeline of bullying down at the bottom as well. So this is a very exciting resource. It's called SIRS Issues Researcher. In Clever, it's just listed as SIRS Proquest. And I think I can show you right here. Yep, SIRS Proquest. And it is a great resource that is available to you as a student of Seattle Public Schools. If you have any questions, just get in touch with me, Mr. Azinger, at ljazinger@seattleschools.org. All right, thanks for tuning in.